So I have created a list of few tasks I want to do in this video. So first of all, I would like to create a functionality of sending personal messages using our bot. We would also like to welcome users every time they join our server. And then we will also want to create an edit/delete messages functionality. And for example, we can use that in case someone sends a message that we don't want them to send. So if they contain some keywords, then we can either edit the message and say something else, or we can delete the message and send a personal message. So we can do a combination of tasks. So yeah, let's get to it. So first of all, let's open our folder in Visual Studio Code. So I'll open terminal by typing cmd and then type code dot. And this will open your folder in Visual Studio Code. So yeah, there's a quick trick you might not know. So now the first thing I would like to show you is how we can listen to an event of a user joining on our server. But let's try to figure out how we can use the message event listener so we can listen to welcome messages. So first thing I would like to do is console.log the message, there we go, and see basically what we get. So I'm kicking my old account, then I'll rejoin and see what a welcome message we get. There we go. So this does work, it says hello, and based on our code, we are saying hello. That's good. But do we get something that tells us this is the first message, for example, or this is a welcome message? And we do. So if we go right here, it says type, and the type is guild member join. So based on the type, we can say if the message type is guild member join, then the member is basically joining the server. So now what we will do instead of using this guild member add, instead we will do it right here. So we can say let is welcome message, and then we can say message.type and then equals to that. So if that's true, then this is a welcome message. And here we can do if it is a welcome message, then we can say message.author.send, and we can say welcome to the server, and then we can do author and then his username, like so. Then next I'll show you how we can send also a channel message, but for now let's leave it to as it is, and let's run our script again. So node index.js. So let's kick our old account, and then let's rejoin the server, and there we go. So we did get a personal message, and it says welcome to the server, Michael Kiras. So there we go. We just showed how we can send a personal message. These videos take a lot of time to make, so do me a favor and smash the like button as it makes it a lot easier. So after we send a personal message, then we can also send a channel message on our welcome channel, for example. So let's go back on our Discord. Let's create a welcome channel, so we can say welcome. Then we will get the ID of that channel, so we'll do copy. We'll do first of all right click, and then we will do copy ID. Or you can copy the link, paste it, and then the last parameter of that URL is the channel ID. So let's go back, and here what we can do is we can say client.channels.cache, and then we can say .get. We will put our channel ID here, and here we can say .send, and we can say the username of that user has joined to the server. So yeah, let's test it out. So let's run our script again. And let's kick our old account, and then let's rejoin our server. So first of all, we get a personal message, so welcome to the server, Michael Kiras. And finally, on our welcome channel, we say Michael has joined the server. Why does this happen? The bot went crazy. So every time a new message is sent, we are triggering another message for our bot. So to fix that issue, what we can do is we can block monitoring the messages that the bot sends. So let's see how we can do that. So it's actually really easy. So we can say if, and then we can say message.author.username doesn't equal, and here we will put the bot username, and we will paste everything else. And here, let's go back and get the bot username, and we can paste it here. There we go. And now I have to remove that, and yeah, there we go. Now, if that doesn't equal that, then everything else is going to work just fine. So yeah, that's how we can send a personal message and also a welcome message to a channel. every time a user joins our server. So let's try deleting message. So to delete message, what we can do is, let's make an example. So we can say if a message contains, so includes, and then a certain keyword, so let's say no, then delete it. Now, no is just an example, but yeah, let's do that. So we can say message.delete, and that's basically all we have to do. So let's run our script again. Let's go back on Discord and let's say no, or let's say okay, no, and it deleted the message. Now you can also do all sorts of stuff. So whenever you delete a message, then you can also send a message saying something else. So this user said no, so let's do that. Now you can do again whatever you like. So whenever I say no again, it will say I give the bags away, said no. You saw what happened there? So it first deleted my message and it replaced it with his, and then immediately it deleted his own message because it contains no. Again, to bypass that, we can put it under here so it doesn't interact with his own messages. And let's run our script again, and let's say again no, and there we go. So it just says Michael Kitas said no, and that's it. And there we go, you did it. You created your own bot. But now you want to host it somewhere so you don't have to run it on your computer 24/7. So if you click in this video, I'll show you how you can host your script for free and the script will run 24/7. So yeah, with that said, see you in that video. Bye bye. So what are you doing yet? Click on that video and let's get started.